At Arcadis, our passion is improving quality of life. We do this by creating livable places where people and communities can thrive. We enhance mobility so that we can sustainably move in and between our cities, and we work to protect the environment and natural resources for future generations. Our company's story began in the Netherlands. With so much of the country below sea level, keeping water at bay and protecting lives and livelihoods has always been a main focus for the Dutch people. Back in 1888, Arcadis began its work developing unusable land into places for people to live and establish communities. Throughout the 20th century, we branched out into rural and urban development and began working to improve living conditions in emerging economies. Fast forward to the 1990s and we began expanding our commercial business across Europe and also into the United States via a merger with Garrity & Miller. Since then, our U.S. operations have grown with the acquisition of the architectural firm RTKL, as well as Malcolm Perney. Over the years, we've had the privilege to work on many groundbreaking projects across the United States, focused on using innovation to help create safer communities where people and businesses can thrive. Just last year, as the pandemic was taking hold across the U.S., our experts partnered with local universities and the New York State Department of Health to pilot a wastewater testing program to detect COVID-19 outbreaks. This gave public health officials a lower-cost means of determining whether the virus was spreading in communities before it reached the stage that people were showing up sick at hospitals. Over in California, we have a team of specialists helping with recovery efforts after wildfires. We're assisting with debris and hazard tree removal and assessing soil for toxins. We're also evaluating air quality for asbestos and heavy metals to ensure cleanup can be done safely, all with the goal of protecting the health of communities and getting people back into their homes faster. Construction recently began on our redesign of Manhattan's Lower East Side. We're extending the shoreline by 500 feet or 2 city blocks. This will elevate the land to 20 feet above sea level and protect the financial district and more than 60,000 residents from storm surges and tidal waves. Also, after Hurricane Katrina in 2005, our experts supported the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers with the planning, design, and construction of the $14.5 billion hurricane and storm risk reduction system for New Orleans. This year, Hurricane Ida demonstrated the efficacy of that system. Tragically, Ida did lead to deaths and tens of billions of dollars in damage, but the protection system we contributed to helped prevent the massive devastation and loss of life seen during Katrina. These are just a handful of examples of the many projects we have delivered across the United States. We are more than 28,000 architects, data analysts, designers, engineers, project planners, water management, and sustainability experts delivering solutions for natural and built assets driven by our passion for improving quality of life.